How unique and different is this one? So we've got a square cake that's decorated to look like a tree stump or with the wood bark effect. And then some greenery and mud, etc. all the way around. And then on top we've got the birthday boy, and he's spotting rabbits, shall we say, with his two dogs, one on the lead. And there he is, he's got his spotlight, and that's shining on this board at the back. That's just another cake board I've attached to the back of the cake, and covered it in some black fondant, and then dusted some white edible dusts to give the illusion of the light from the spotlight he's holding. And then a birthday banner as well. Very unique, very personalised, very different. I doubt you're going to get another cake like this. I've also used some, these are just crushed up biscuits, chocolate biscuits. They work really well for rubble. I've airbrushed the cake, the base, but then I've gone round with some edible dust just to sort of highlight the shadow on the bushes, and gone round just to give everything a little bit more depth. Dusts work really well for precision highlighting. So there we are, a very unique birthday cake for the birthday boy today.